Hello everyone, my name is Putri Puspitasari. I'm from Indonesia. This time I will present the result of my research. There are several topics that I will discuss here, namely the first, title, second, introduction, next, methods, result, and discussion. Okay, the first one here is the title. The title I took is Application of Financial Management in E-commerce Business. At this time, the financial manager plays a very important role. Along with its development, the task of the financial manager is not only to record, make reports, control the cash position, pay bills, and seek funds. However, financial managers must also be able to invest funds, manage the optimal combination of source of funds, and distribute profits or dividend distribution in order to increase company value. One business that requires financial management in managing its finance is e-commerce. E-commerce is a form of information system. Rainer 2011 suggests that electronic commerce or e-commerce describes the process of buying, selling, transferring, or exchanging product, service, or information through computer networks, including the internet. E-commerce also allows companies to expand their business reach. One of the main benefits of e-commerce is access to and from global market. So the problem is how to implement financial management in e-commerce business. What are the benefits of financial management in e-commerce business? And this research was conducted with the aim of to find out how financial management is applied in the e-commerce business, to find out what benefits are obtained by e-commerce companies in implementing financial management in their business. For the research method, this research is a quantitative descriptive research using data collection techniques, namely the interview method, the survey method with a questionnaire, namely providing a list of questions to the respondent, and the literature study method, which is carried out, out by obtaining information from books or reference related to research. The sample of this research is 30 small business that do business with internet based, or what is often referred to as an online store. Data analysis from the data of research respondents. 30 respondents of online business were used in this research. Response who had sales increased by 80%. This can be interpreted that the average online business sales business has the number of customers and sales that tend to increase. From the observation made, online business experience an 87% increase in profits. This is of course a very good prospect for developing an online business venture. The capital used by online business ventures mostly comes from personal capital by 60%, the remaining 40% use additional debt capital. On average, 73% of respondents can use their profits to invest, and from online business ventures, an average of 80% of entrepreneurs have increased asset. On average, 80% of online business have record business transactions by 57% have differentiated between transactions for personal and business purpose. As many as 57% of respondents have also distinguished the use of income for operation and investment. On average, 73% of companies are 1 3 years old. Next is result. This research was conducted to find out how financial management is applied in e-commerce and what are the benefits from the result of this study indicates the financial management has an important role in a business. The application of financial management in e-commerce is carried out with a payment system which makes it easier for sellers to increase income. In addition, this system makes it easier for customers, namely sellers and buyers, to make buying and selling transactions. Further, there is a discussion implementation of financial management in e-commerce business. Some e-commerce companies such as Shopee, Lazada, Tokopedia, and others are e-commerce companies. E-commerce is a mobile phone market whose sales focus on C2C, which is where this business provides a place for consumers to make purchases and sales online, which means every user gets the same opportunity to display their merchandise so that other users can see and be interested in buy. E-commerce helps in making it easier for users to advertise their wares because not a few people want to have an online business but don't understand how to start. Benefits of financial management. There are 5 functions of financial management that need to be known: planning, budgeting, controlling, auditing, and reporting. Planning. Here is planning from cash flow to company profit and loss. Budgeting. This function includes planning to budget allocation so that it is efficient and effective. Controlling in financial management, supervision also needs to be carried out for evaluation and improvement in the future. Auditing. Internal audits must be carried out in accordance with accounting standards and there are not deviation. The last report is a report on financial condition and ratio analysis. Next, conclusion. The conclusion or summary obtained from the research are that financial management has been implemented in the e-commerce business with a payment system. Financial management provides many benefits for user or customer. Financial management can provide an overview of the potential of internet-based micro, small and medium enterprises or online business. There are several suggestions that can be done by e-commerce, namely, first, e-commerce business actors must further improve their servers so that server downturns do not occur when there are many users visiting the application. E-commerce business actors can better manage the financial management available in the to minimize existing deficiencies. E-commerce players must be able to convince consumers to remain loyal users even with non-cash payment method. Okay, that's all can say. Sorry if there are shortcomings in the presentation. Thank you for attention and see you soon.